If you've ever needed to move a Google Docs file into Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert Google Docs to Microsoft Word on Google Drive in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you need to share a document with someone who uses Word, upload a .docs file, or simply keep an offline copy in a format that works across more devices. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser. Once you're in Drive, find the document you want to convert. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. When you see the file, double-click it to open it in Google Docs. Now that your document is open, look at the top menu. You'll want to click File. This is where Google Docs keeps all the export and download options. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose Download. This tells Google Docs that you want to save a copy of the document to your computer in a different format. Next, you'll see several download options. Click Microsoft Word.docs. This is the format that works with Microsoft Word and most other word processors. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will automatically begin downloading the file to your device. Once the download finishes, you'll have a Word document saved on your computer. You can open it in Microsoft Word, attach it to an email, upload it to another platform, or edit it in Word just like any other .docs file. If you want, you can also keep both versions, so you have one copy in Google Drive and another in Word format for backup. And that's all there is to it. Converting a Google Docs file to Microsoft Word on Google Drive is quick, easy, and only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.